Hello guys, welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Very good morning one and all. Now today I would like to make you understand about talent management skills. In previous session we discussed about humorous skills, right? Being a humorous is a God's gift and always be a humor, and we should have some fun. It should be in limit so that we can get a lot of opportunities because of humorous skills. If you are a businessman, then you can easily convince your clients, and if any serious situations are going on there, if you perform in a humorous way, if you handle the situation in that way, you can easily make them understand with a clear conversation, and you can conflict this, you can get the problem solution, right? And here let me explain you about talent management skills. Now this talent management, the word itself, talent means the potential of a person, the capability of a person. Now here if you take any organization, HR is the person, is very important for managing these talent management skills. Human resource person, HR, right? We know that HR roles and responsibilities like recruiting and screening and making them understand about the roles and responsibilities of an employee, and termination or taking screening and sourcing also, and recruitment process also there. These are a very lot of procedures are there by HR. Now let me explain you in an organization how the talent management works. Okay, in general if you take any organization, okay, they need to recruit people and develop the company and make the employees perform better. These are the skills, talent management skills. It should be done by HR. Now let me start with step by step talent management process is there and how it works out. Now first step is organization requirements we have to understand. Means as an HR they should understand about organization requirement. Identify the organization requirement and you have to follow to that. Organization requirement means okay, the people, okay, they are looking for which type of requirement, and their and job description also, JD means according to this description we need to allocate the resources, and we need to just plan about which type of employees we have to recruit and which type of training we have to give. Okay, these are the things first we have to understand about organization requirement. And second one is screening the candidate, screening and attracting the talent. Here one main point is screening the candidate means, screening and attracting the candidate means, first if you take an example, every company or every organization is looking for high skilled talented person, right? Maximum means the person should have more experience, high level experience, and should manage all the things, right? There we have to understand that screening should be very important. Means why the person has lot of skills, high skills and high more experience, then why would they prefer our company? That answer we have to understand. Means okay, for example I am working for TCS or something, I quit from the job there and I am looking for Capgemini company, okay, as an HR or means as some employee, okay, with a lot of experience like 10 years experience. Now first the company should think, okay, he has a lot of experience and he has a lot of opportunities also, why he is looking for our company? The solution should understand by the company people, means the HR. And next one, recruitment process should be very important. Recruitment process, recruitment procedures like technical rounds or any HR round, everything we have to done in the process, that is also very important for making them talent, right? And next one, employee retention. Right? And next one, I will let you know about this, promotions and performance appraisal. And succession planning. Now here let me explain you about promotions. Promotions means we have to encourage the people, like employees depends on their work role and their hard work and their performance. We have to give promotions according to their situations, and that is also very important for making our organization improve. That is also talent management skills. And performance appreciation depends on whether they are capable or not. According to this performance we have to check. Understand my point? If the person is under stress, or okay, he is fine with the work, like that we have to check every month or monthly once, or any 6 months once or twice, like that we have to check according to their performance, and we have to give that appreciation to the about their performance, so that they can also get some boost up from the HR or employers. And succession planning, here succession planning and replacement planning both are quite different, but maximum whenever we ask the question to the CEOs of the company, they might have get confusion about succession planning and replacement planning. What is the difference between succession planning and replacement planning should be very important. And here also there are some steps, step by step process is there for making the succession planning. I will let you know in the further video about succession planning and replacement planning as well. Okay, now let me explain you about employee retention. Employee retention means the employee should be continue with our company. Here also one main point is there. Maximum if you ask this question to any CEO or any manager, managing director to a company, okay, then they always say that here employee retention is only depends on salaries, and if you give more benefits and most of the travel allowances or salaries hike, if these are there, salaries and travel allowances and benefits are there, if you give, then automatically employee will be retained, like that they may think. This is also very important, as they said, I do agree with that point. Maximum CEOs or managers, they said about practical way, this is also very important. But apart from this, very important things are there, means including this they have to follow some points. Means here we have to give a chance for creativity. We have to give a chance for creativity. If they create, if they are thinking in a creative manner, we have to support according to their performance. And here, and one more thing is, be the best. Means everybody wants to work under successful person, like a winner. So that's why the performance should be very well, and the company also should should stand on their words. That means be the best, means always should be a successful person. Then the employees also, they want to continue with that company. Okay, if you are doing any pressure situations or anything, even though it comes, pressure situation is a mandatory, means common thing. So if they come also, we have to maintain the standards. That is also very important. Be the best. And here promotions, we have to give promotions according to their performance. Okay, and you have to just promote them for a new role and everything. Okay, and beyond the stock or beyond the paycheck. Let me explain you about beyond the paycheck. Means one person is working with a company, okay, for a lot of years, and according to the software company, means depends on the situation, we have to move into some different fields, some different courses we have to learn, and we have to move forward, right? In that situation, in that scenario, the company or employers or HR should encourage the people to learn new things. We have to give some time, and we have to motivate them. We have to just encourage them to learn some new things, like new courses, and make them forward. That is also very important. And we have to just allocate some employee retention, also very important. Okay, here travel allowances also, salaries also, we have to give some hike, and we have to just appreciation. This is also same thing. Performance appreciation should be very important. Whenever they do more hard work and everything, we have to just give appreciation. That is also we can make them understand. Okay, then employee retention may be possible. Okay, these are the steps for making the employee retention. Let me explain you once again here. Talent management skills are very important skills in any organization, and maximum the manager like HR manager or CEO always follows the talent management skills. Depends on their talent management skills only. The employees retention also and the employees recruitment also, everything is a process by using these talent management skills, because HR they don't work, understand my point, HR they don't develop the companies or anything, they will make them to develop the companies, means they will make them the employees to develop the companies. That is very important. So here organization requirement, according to that requirement they have to first identify the requirement, which type of requirement they are looking for, and job descriptions and sources should be, we have to put in that manner. That is also very important. And screening and attracting, screening should be very important, whether why the person is looking for our company we have to understand as an HR. And the attracting the candidate, we have to make them like why they are looking for, and we have to, yesterday I said in a humorous skill, we have to just talk to them by using some skills, so that we can easily understand why they are looking for. Of course in interview process that is a common question, why should I hire you, or why you are looking for our company, we can easily understand. Recruitment is a process technically, and HR round also we can easily make them better understanding. Okay, and employee retention should be important. In this employee retention, why they have to stick on our company, that is also very important. And this travel allowances also, salary hikes also, these are the major part, right? And creativity should be, we have to just encourage them creativity and be the best. If you are like a successful person, so the employees may prefer us. Okay, and beyond the paycheck, we have to make them understand about the future opportunities and let them prepare for the new trainings, and we have to encourage so that they can easily get the retention. Okay, and promotion should be very important. Performance appreciation and succession planning. Succession planning and replacement planning are both are different. Okay, let me explain you in the further video, because there are some step by step processes there. I will let you know in the next videos. Okay, succession plan, this is also very important, because if whenever we ask the question, whenever anyone asks the question to a CEO or an average CEO, they may get confused while doing the succession planning and replacement planning. Okay, I will let you know in the next video. This is about talent management skills. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.